Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you that how you can schedule a AWS certification exam. So actually Infosys already provide the APN Partner Central account, so I can sign in with that. But if you don't have that, you can sign in with the AWS Amazon account, and after filling all the details, I have already filled. So after filling all the details, you can proceed with the exam schedule, and I will tell you how you can proceed with that. First of all, I need to first sign in with my ID and password, and then I will tell you that how you can schedule an exam. Any exam you can schedule in AWS. If you want to give any cloud certification exam, you can schedule it. So after submitting all the details, here it is taking some time. So here you can see the AWS certification. Welcome back, and you just click on that, and after that you will go to the next page, and here you can go for register for an exam. Okay, and here you can choose what exam you want to give. So here I am going to give that cloud practitioner exam, so I'm going to schedule button, so I have just select on that, and after that you will proceed with this next step. So here you can see select an exam option. So actually you want to give in this home and want to give on your personal laptop, then you can choose one VUE exam and just click on next. After processing, it will choose what language you want to prefer, that you can choose English, and then you just tick mark all the things. This is the all the policies and data processing on one VUE. You can just check mark on all of this. So after selecting all these things, you can just click on agree. After agree, you can choose in which language or English you can select. Just confirm your time zone. Okay, then you can proceed with the select your date. So here I want to give on the 15th of August, so you can select that, and you can choose explore more times. You can select to which time you want to give that exam. So as I want to give on 8:15, there is one slot available. So you can choose according to your preferences of timing. So you can and select that whether you have that means slot is available for you or not. You can check it here, and you can then book the appointment here. Okay, click on that. So after booking an appointment, now here you can see the price of $100 is this. So you can proceed to check out. You can select, and after adding tax here it is $118. You can proceed to check out. Okay, so actually Infosys already gave me that voucher, so I am just giving it here. If you also want to know that how you can get the voucher from Infosys to give that external certification exam, so you can actually comment in this video. I will means tell you in the next video then that how you can means take the a voucher from Infosys. So actually I have already got, then I am going to apply it here. So after applying, as you can see that there is total estimated is 00, means all the fees will be given by Infosys. Then click on next. and submit your order. Okay, so here you can submit the order, and if you want you can reschedule the exam also. Means here 2 times you can reschedule the exam. If you are not uncomfortable with that date, you can change it. Okay, so this is the process. I think it will be helpful for you, and if you have any query, you can ask in the comment section. I will meet you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, you can subscribe it. Okay, bye.